Dumpster Rental, Garner, North Carolina. If you're seeking reliable and affordable dumpster rental services in Garner, North Carolina, Dumpster King is the top choice for both residential and commercial projects. With years of experience in the waste management industry, they offer a hassle-free solution to your disposal needs, whether you're tackling a home renovation, a yard cleanup, or overseeing a construction project. Dumpster King provides a wide range of roll-off dumpster sizes, ensuring you have the perfect fit for your specific job. Their dumpsters are known for their durability, and they are driveway-friendly to prevent any damage to your property, making them ideal for homeowners. They provide dumpsters designed to keep commercial spaces clean and organized, whether it's for a retail store, office building, or a large-scale commercial development. Their efficient waste removal services help businesses maintain a professional and safe environment. You can schedule your dumpster rental, select the size, and choose the delivery date that works best for you. Their prompt and reliable delivery services ensure that your dumpster arrives on time, allowing you to keep your project on schedule. For more information or to schedule a rental, contact Dumpster King at 919-669-7370 or visit their website to explore convenient booking options. You'll find that Dumpster King provides the dependable, efficient service you need to get your job done right.